Next, we present a dance drama that celebrates how the deep admiration and veneration of our parents, grandparents, and elders.
Let's sit back and watch the timeless bonds.
Good evening, everyone. Tonight, we'll journey through time to witness the value of respect has been cherished across generations. From the honor showed by Lord Ram to the curiosity of today's Gen Alpha, each era teaches us something unique about respecting our parents, teachers, and elders. Let's begin with an ancient tale where respect was a guiding principle. In ancient India, respect for one's parents and elders was held as the highest virtue. No one exemplified this more than Lord Ram, the beloved prince of Ayodhya, who, despite his own desires, he chose the path of obedience and respect, honoring his father's word above all else. Let's witness this powerful moment in his life.
Ram, my son, I must fulfill my promise to Queen Kaikeyi. She has asked that you go into exile for 14 years.
Father, your wish is my command. My respect for you surpasses all desires. I will go without any question.
Ram, how can you accept this so willingly? You are my light and Ayodhya's strength.
Mother, my duty is to honor our family. If my living fulfills father promise, I have no regrets.
If you go, I go. Where you walk, I walk. As is my duty by your side.
Brother, do not ask me to stay behind. Where you go, I shall follow. My only duty is to serve you and protect you in your journey, wherever it may lead.
Your devotion humbles me. Together, we will uphold our family's honor.
Ram, your strength and respect brings me pride, though my heart aches.
Father, do not be sorrowful. Your blessings and my strength through every trial.
जन्म जन्म की खोज बताए राम से चल के राम पे आए प्रेम कोई हमें और न जाने राम से रूठे राम से माने राम सिया की करुण कहानी एक है चंदन एक है पानी राम सिया राम जय जय राम राम सिया राम जय जय राम.
Lord Ram embodies the highest form of respect for his parents. Ram's loyalty and humility reminds us that true respect sometimes requires putting others before ourselves. Now, we turn to another tale from ancient India, that of Ekalavya, a young boy with immense respect for his guru, Dronacharya. Though he was not accepted as a student, Ekalavya's devotion remained strong, and he learnt archery on his own. Let's see his act of kindness for his guru.
Hey Kalavya, your skill is remarkable. I thought only our Guru Dronacharya could train such mastery.
I owe my knowledge to Guru Dronacharya. Even though he did not accept me as his student, in my heart, he is my Guru.
He didn't accept you as your student. How can you say he's your Guru?
A true Guru inspires beyond pressure. I owned him daily through practice, seeking his guidance in spirit, even if he never acknowledges me.
Thank you, Ekalavya. Because of you now, I know the real respect of the Guru with dedication without expectation.
In honoring him, I find peace.
विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः Gurave
gesture of ultimate respect, Ekalavya later gave his thumb as a symbolic gift to his guru. His respect teaches us the value of gratitude and dedication to our teachers. Ekalavya's dedication to his guru, Dronacharya, is a powerful example of respect and gratitude. His story shows that respecting our teachers goes beyond just learning. It's about honoring their role in our lives. In traditional joint families, respect flowed naturally between generations. Elders led with wisdom, and younger members contributed their energy, creating a home filled with mutual respect. Let's see a moment in one such household.
Granny, add little more turmeric. Babuji likes it that way. We take care of everyone's taste here, right?
Yes, Daddy, you always say that sharing good meals with the family makes the family stronger.
Exactly. Respecting each other's needs in the heart of our family. We all play our part.
And working together makes everything smoother. And Chacha here lightens our load with his jokes.
What's a family? Without laughter, working together and laughing together keeps us going.
Dadu, when can I help? I want to be useful too.
Ah, little Raju. For now, just listen and learn. Someday, you'll have your own part.
And maybe by starting helping Rani with the spices, helping makes work easy.
This is what makes our family special. We share responsibilities, respect, and joy.
And as brothers, we support each other. We are here through everything.
Yes, a family united by respect and love can face any storm together.
I will always help my family, Dadu.
That's the spirit, beta. One day you will pass this wisdom on.
In a world where many live apart, the strength of a joint family is unmatched.
One heart and many stomachs. Ma, what's cooking? Smells delicious. Even hungry Chacha knows how to appreciate his family. That's the joy of the family.
This is family. Respect, love, and unity. May our bond last forever.
La 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 la. Oh ho 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 ho. La 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 la. दिल से बंधी एक डोर जो दिल तक जाती है, हाँ जाती है। प्यार के बंधन बांधे जाती है, प्यार के बंधन बांधे जाती है।
In this traditional family, respect flows naturally between the generations. The younger members honor their elders' wisdom, while elders lead with care. This harmony shows us that respect is the foundation of strong family bonds, where each person's role is valued and everyone works together. Next, we meet the millennials, born in an age of rapid change, where independence is valued yet traditions remain dear. Here's Rohit, balancing his career and values while staying connected to his family.
Everyone, please have a seat. Look at you all. Back in my day, evenings were for talking to each other, not for staring at screens. What's keeping you so busy?
Just work emails, Grandpa. Deadlines don't stop even at home.
Startup life, Grandpa. Startup life, Grandpa. No real working hours. Just work all the time.
So always working. Don't you ever take a break?
Oh,
We take break.
oh,
we take breaks. For me, work and play blend. I create art, post online and connect it with others. My passion is my work.
Back then, art was just a hobby, and work stayed at work.
It's different
Things
for
sure
us.
have changed.
It's different for us, Grandpa. We care about our work, but we also focus on making a positive impact. Like my climate event this weekend.
Yep, we want meaningful work and make a difference.
So, working and changing the world too. I like the sound of that.
Exactly. We learn. Exactly. We care about sustainability and purpose, not just paychecks.
We worked hard too, but don't you get tired of all this constant busyness?
Oh, it's tough. It's called hustle culture. A lot of effort, but it's rewarding to create something meaningful.
And with so much access to information, we can make a difference in connected world.
You're different, but I see the same ambition in you, maybe even more courage.
Thanks, Grandpa. We're just trying our way in this fast-paced world.
We learned values from you, Grandpa. We are expressing them in new ways.
Then the world is in good hands. But remember, they still value in a good face-to-face chat.
You're right, Grandpa. Let's put on our screens and have some chai just like old times.
बिगड़े ज्यादा सुधरे हुए कम अब तोड़ेंगे हर कायदा खामोश नहीं शाम से कल मिलो काम से अभी तो हम देख लो बिल्कुल गए के घर के सारे रास्ते भूल गए वो जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए घर के रास्ते भूल गए अब तो हम बिल्कुल गए आए ऐसी चौड़ में कि जो भी हमें देखे वो कहता रहे कि आज शेर खुल गए.
For millennials, respect means balancing the old with the new. While they value independence, they also cherish family ties, staying connected despite the distance. This generation teaches us that respect can evolve, allowing us to honor our roots even as we pursue our own paths.
All right, everyone, let's talk about what defines a generation. Gen Z, what makes you? Well, you.
We are the digital natives, Mr. Sharma. Tech is like a second nature to us.
And we are aware of global issues. I follow environmental causes. Gen Z wants to make a difference.
That's inspiring, but is it easy to balance all of this technology?
It's tricky. It's tricky, but we multitask. I run an online jewelry store while managing school. Gen Z loves blending. Work with passion.
Speak for yourself, Tina. I get distracted scrolling the videos all the time.
Ha, the endless scroll. Does it ever feel like it's hard to put your phone down?
Sometimes, sir, it's hard to resist because everything's online. News, friends, learning, etc. It's both good and bad.
But social media has downsides too, like the pressure to look perfect and FOMO. The fear of missing out is exhausting.
Yes, posting for my business can be stressful with all the comparison.
That sounds tough, but I see creativity and awareness here too. How do you balance it all?
I set boundaries and volunteer on weekend. It keeps me grounded.
I try, but it's hard. Sometimes it feels like tech controls us.
True, but we are resourceful too. We can learn anything online in seconds.
Exactly. Gen Z is quick to adapt. It's about using this power wisely, right?
And staying connected to real life. I just want to make a difference in real life. It's not online.
You have immense potential, but remember, sometimes slowing down and focusing on what matters can make all the difference.
Thanks, Mr. Sharma. But if we slip up, we'll blame it on being Gen Z.
खोई खोई आंखों में जो मीठे मीठे सपने, क्या ये दिल करे, पहले पहले दिन की ये नई नई सुबह है, आओ चिल करें, गम को चबाते जाएं, सबको बताते जाएं अपनी हसरतें, यार मत भूले जगह है ये बड़ी कुल, सुनो सुनो जरा लेट मी से, भूलेंगे हम तो नहीं, सोचेंगे हम भी कभी, स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, सीखेंगे हम ये यही है, क्या गलत क्या सही, स्कूल के ये दिन सभी आएंगे ना, ना 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 ना, आएंगे ना.
Gen Z approaches respect differently. Driven by technology and social causes, they challenge old norms and often speak up for change. Their energy and creativity inspires us, reminding us that respect can also mean having the courage to make things better while learning to balance new and old values.
Hey kids, let's take a break and chat a bit. You're growing up so differently from when I was of your age.
Yeah, Mom, I'm learning about planets in my science game. Did you know Jupiter has 79 moons?
Wow, Dhruv, that's impressive.
Look, Mom, I made a cartoon on my app. There's even music.
So creative, Ayan. What about you, Rishi?
I like being outside. Today, we made an obstacle course at the park. I feel like an adventure.
Nature's great too. And you, Lily?
I was practicing dance trends for a video. All my friends are doing it and I want lots of likes.
Remember, Lily, you're great as just you are.
I know, but I don't want to feel left out.
Lily's going to be internet famous.
Tech is great, but balance is important. Rishi, maybe you can show them the joys of playing outside.
Yeah, let's have an adventure.
Thanks, guys. I'll join you outside.
Now let's put all the screens down and enjoy some time together.
हिम्मत से नाचो, थिरक थिरक यारो, धरती हिला दो, थिरक थिरक रे, माटी का बादल फक फक जाए, अंबर झुका दो, थिरक थिरक रे, लड़क भड़क बंदा हो, खलक तलक बंदा हो, फिकर फिकर जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो, तबड़ तोड़क बंदा हो, पलक तलक बंदा हो, तबड़ शिकर जिंदा हो, बंदा हो जिंदा हो, धड़पन रंगारे, धड़कन अंगारे, तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो, अरे तन मन गंगारे, जिंदा बंदा हो. झटपट झूमर घूमर जागर वाले रे, पैरों तले धुआं चले.
Finally, we come to Gen Alpha, the youngest generation growing up in a digital world. Their respect is shown through curiosity and eagerness to learn from everyone around them, even if it's through a screen. With guidance, they learn that respect isn't just about gadgets, but about connecting with people, young and old. Across each generation, respect has taken on new forms, yet it remains timeless. Whether it's Lord Ram's devotion, the joint family's unity, or Gen Alpha's curiosity, each era reminds us that respect is the thread that binds us all. May we carry these values forward, honoring the past, embracing the present, and shaping a future rooted in respect. Thank you.
That was heartwarming and deeply impactful. A heartfelt thanks to the performers for bringing this timeless message to life.